No budget, no editing skills, no Hollywood contacts, doesn't matter, because today I'm showing you how to create a cinematic movie trailer using nothing but AI. Yup, it's totally free. We are making a movie trailer about a banana who becomes a superhero. Yup, things are gonna get weird, so keep watching this video cause we are gonna make banana superhero again. Just like Trump, who's gonna make America great again.
Bruh, bruh, bruh.
Or maybe not, but who cares? So, first thing first, before making America great again, before making your banana superhero, you gotta give him a story. If you can come up with your own story for your banana, that's totally perfect. But if you don't, then don't worry, cause we already have some intelligent friend named ChatGPT. So, to give our superhero banana a story, I'm going to use ChatGPT. So, once I'm on ChatGPT, all I have to do is just write a script.
"2,000 years later."
Yup, that's all I have to type. And ChatGPT didn't even judge me. It just went,
Bruh.
well, but who cares about this? So anyway, we got our script. Damn, in a world where villains rule the city from inside out, one fruit will rise, not to be eaten, but to fight back. Damn. Bro, this banana has more backstory than most of the Marvel villains. Now we got our script for the trailer. Now the second step comes in, creating the visuals. So before going to create full video, we have to create pictures. So for that, I'm gonna give another command to ChatGPT. Now all you have to do is just type this and click enter. By the way guys, don't worry about the prompts. I have already pasted all the prompts used in this video in the description below. So check it out. Damn, here we go again. So now we got prompts for every scene. Now the real magic comes in. So go to Hilo AI from the link in the description below. It might look a simple website, but trust me, it's more powerful than your gym crush deadlifts.
Emotional, damn it!
I'm just kidding guys, and just click on sign in and continue with Google. Now you got an account, and as a new account you can get up to 1100 credits. That's enough to create a full movie. So in this video we are gonna create a trailer, but in the upcoming videos I'm gonna show you how to create full movie. So don't forget to subscribe this channel. Now let's get back to our business. So once you are on Hilo AI, just click on create images, and now go to your ChatGPT and copy your first prompt. Head over to Hilo AI and paste your first prompt. Be sure that the ratio is 16:9. But if you are creating YouTube shorts or TikTok videos, you would have to select this ratio. Since we are creating this trailer for YouTube, I'm gonna go with 16:9 ratio. Then just click on this weird button. Now you can see Hilo AI is generating our images. You can create 4 variations of one prompt. Now just wait while Hilo AI will create your photos. Damn, just look at my superhero. It's a banana. It's better than most of the Marvel heroes. Just look at the details. This banana is something else. It's looking like Thor, but his face looks like Thanos. So our first photo is ready. Then go to ChatGPT again and copy your second prompt. Then just paste your second prompt here and click on create. Now wait again. No, don't be so impatient while waiting, cause it's a free tool, so we can't complain. Damn, our second photo is already created. Just look at the details. So the second photo is created, but as you can see the character is consistent, but here we can see the character is a little bit different. So we want perfect pictures. So for that I'm gonna just simply download this one, and then I'm gonna click on add reference character. Then I'm gonna select this picture and click on open, click on confirm. Now by doing this you are actually teaching Hilo AI about your main character. Now click on this weird icon again. Now as you can see, Hilo AI has created the next images according to our reference character. Here you go. You can see the reference character can only click up to his face. Now do this process for rest of your photos until you get all of your photos. So here are all of my images. Now here comes the crucial part, converting this picture into videos. So for that, just simply click on video and then just upload your first photo. Now here, write something you want in the video. For that, just go to ChatGPT. Just ask ChatGPT to give prompt to convert this picture into videos. So here we go again. Now ChatGPT has given us video prompts for every picture. Now just copy your first prompt and then just paste your prompt. Now, as you can see, Hilo AI has created my video and it's amazing. Now do this for rest of your photos until all of your photos will be converted to videos. Now step 4. Creating a voiceover. Now we need a voice that sounds like Morgan Freeman and Batman Had a Baby. I'm going to use 11 Labs free text-to-speech feature. Just click on the link in the description that will lead you to 11labs.io. Once you are here, just paste your script here. So once you paste your script, all you have to do is choose a voice. For this video, I'm gonna go with grandpa voice, this one. And just click on this voice and then click on generate speech. Now just download this voice from here. Now straight to business. So now that you got everything to create your movie trailer, now open any editing software, no matter CapCut, VN Editor, Adobe Premiere Pro or any other offline software. Put your voiceover into the software and adjust your clips that you created using Hilo AI. Adjust all of your clips according to the voiceover, add some sound effects and a background music and just click on export and boom. That's how you create banana great again. I mean, that's how you create a banana superhero. So now that you have learned how to create a movie trailer, in the upcoming videos, I'll be teaching you how to create a full movie. Yup, in the upcoming video, I'll show you the entire editing process, not just the visuals, but the full movie. If this banana can become a superhero, then you can definitely subscribe to this channel and like this video. You're watching DeepMind AI and I'll see you in the next one.